Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus heating while charging. So first, it is normal that device is heating up while you're charging it using fast charging. So now whenever I plug a cable into the TECNO Spark, as you guys can see, the first thing will be charging, but now it will be supercharged, and it is pretty normal. Now the supercharge definitely makes my device heat up a little, but it's normal because I'm expecting the faster charge. There's no way to disable the fast charging here, and you have to either live with it or get the worst charger. Now what are we going to do is we're going to check for background apps that can be causing heat and high power consumption. So here we have some apps in the background. What are we going to do is we're going to go over and click on this trash button. We cleared some memory and also deleted some background apps. What are we going to do next is make sure that we use original charger and a cable. So I am not using this, and that might also be a part of why my phone is heating up a little. But my charger is definitely not faster than what it's supposed to be for this phone. And I know for a fact that I can charge my phone without any issues. So now what are we going to do is you want to make sure that you avoid using your phone while you're charging it. And I'm talking about playing games, watching Netflix, and etc. Make sure that you do not do that while your phone is charging, because it can destroy your battery and also heat up your device like crazy. Now you want to also remove the case to improve the heat dissipation. Now my case is right here and I am not using it because it definitely heats up my phone. It's trapping the heat, so whenever my phone is like this in the case, the heat is trapped under the case and it has no way of going out. That's why I'm not using my case whenever I'm charging the phone. And also you want to make sure that you charge the phone in a cool and ventilated area, because if you charge it on the sun, you know what happens. Your battery gets hot, your phone gets hot, and it basically makes no sense because you're just wasting your battery life. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.